Want your yard to look fresh and put together instead of just a random patchwork of plants and decorations? All right. So first up, think about what vibe you want in your outdoor space, like chill and natural or modern and tidy. Pick a color scheme for your plants and hardscape stuff so everything kind of matches, you know? Don't just throw in whatever catches your eye at the garden store. Try to mix textures and heights to keep it interesting. Using design software or apps can help you map out the space before you start digging around. If you're not totally sure, chatting with a pro landscaper can save you from making costly mistakes. Try focusing on a few key focal points, like a cool tree or a water feature instead of cluttering the whole yard. Keep pathways clear and functional so it's easy to walk through without stepping on plants. Remember, less is more. Sometimes too many elements make your yard look messy instead of stylish. One of the biggest issues with landscape design not being cohesive or aesthetically pleasing is picking random plants that don't fit the climate or soil type, which just leads to sad, dying greenery. Fix that by researching native plants or asking a local nursery what works best in your area. Another common mistake is ignoring scale. Putting huge bushes next to tiny flowers looks off. To fix this, group plants with similar sizes together and use layering to create depth. Lastly, people often skip planning for maintenance, so things get overgrown or die out fast. Keep your design manageable by choosing low-maintenance plants and setting a regular watering and trimming schedule. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, cutting out all the stress of searching around. Plus, it helps contractors get new jobs by connecting them with people who need reliable work done on their homes.